This is the vented V2 jacket in extra large. Official KTM Powerwear, mostly made out of mesh, more abrasion resistant on the outside, as we see right here. In the middle here, we have a very nicely constructed zipper. And with all these Powerwear items, clothes, merchandise, it's all about the great attention to detail. Like, very high quality zipper that they used here. The details on the pocket. Let's open one now. Secured by Velcro. This pocket is not waterproof. Just storage for stuff. Very nice detailing here. In the pocket, we can see that this is also vented material. So this is not waterproof. As you can see, air comes inside and goes through the mesh lining inside. Inside is mesh all over. We have another pocket inside. This pocket is also porous. There is, however, one specific pocket for this jacket, which is waterproof. As we can see, it's indicated here, and it's on the left lapel. Here you go. And it's big enough to put your cellular phone inside or any other electronic gadget. This is a CE rated jacket. We have a back protector pocket for this one. However, inside we only have, as you purchase this one, it only comes with this foam stand-in. Inside the shoulders, you have these CE level 1 protection shoulder pads by YF. And over by the elbow area, you have also another protection, again by YF, and it's CE level 1. You can see there are two settings at which you can affix the height and placement of the elbow pads. 1 and 2. I have an existing CE level 2 back protector, and let's see if this fits inside this one. Quite fortunately, my existing CE level 2 back protector fits. A bit short, but it'll do. Excellent. On the sleeves, a lot more detail. From the back, we have the KTM branding, which doesn't look reflective. We have some detailing on the elbow area, and then we have some adjustment straps by the hip waist area affixed by Velcro. And again, excellent branding everywhere. A lot of KTM branding everywhere.